This is our hotel, guys. We're gonna stay here for a week. Bespoke. That's the building. And this is the area. Malapit siya sa lahat, guys. Very accessible sa lahat. Weather check is 10 degrees for today. And later tonight is gonna be -2. Ito yung reception, guys. Yung elevator. Room tour tayo ng Bespoke Hotel here in Sapporo, guys. Unahin natin yung toilet nila. Pa tayo mabuksan? Buksan pala, guys. Toilet and bath. Meron silang bathtub. Ayan. Maganda siya. Hello. Here's the typical Japanese toilet bowl. The towels. Malinis. And then, nandito na sa labas yung mga hangers nila, guys. Tapos, may full body mirror siya. Mayroong kettle. Mini fridge. Yan. Cute naman ang mini fridge nila. Tapos, may safety deposit box. And, punta tayo sa... It's a king-size bed. 1204, that's our room number. Yan, ang ganda. Spacious. And my sofa and table. And this is the TV. And tingnan natin yung outside view natin sa labas. Oh, another building. That's our view from our room. Tsaka may palibre silang, ayan, pantulog, guys. Guys, kakain kami ng pancake. Hi, for two. That's banana. Beautiful. Yes, thank you. Siyempre, guys, hindi namin palampasin tong pancake na to. Ang sarap, guys. Kaya pag napunta kayo dito sa Sapporo, i-try nyo tong Mint Pancake Cafe here in Sapporo. Masarap siya. Guys, nandito tayo sa Odori Park. Dito sila nag-i-snow festival, pero Wala na, normally it happens only early January, yung festival na yun. Eh ngayon, puro snow na lang natira. This is Odori Park in Sapporo. Ang ganda ng sunset, guys. Yan, let's enjoy the sunset here. That's the tower. Have a look at the tower. Time is 4:45 in the afternoon and it's 10 degrees. The ticket counter is on the 3rd floor. Ayan guys, nakatog ako nung umakyat dito. Sobrang taas. Tingnan nyo ah. They have curry sauce. And rice. Hi guys, we are now in Otaro. Punta tayo sa Music Box Museum, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga sidewalk, ha. Marami pa rin, snow. Yan ang kapal, diba? Hindi pa siya natutunaw. Tinatabi lang nila yung snow para malinis yung kalsada. Ayan, oh. Ang kapal. So let's walk, guys. Going to Music Box Museum. Oh, look at that. Ganda. Kita nyo yan, guys. Yung snow, pinapala niya. Tapos nilalatag na lang niya sa tabi ng kalsada para matunaw. Yan, oh. Grabe ang snow dito. Kita niya yan? Nahuhulog. Natigas na. Ang cute nito. Akala niyo totoo yung mga flowers na yan? It's plastic. Nasa ibabaw lang siya ng snow. Tinanim na lang nila. Ang cute. Matigas na yung snow. Oh, matigas. lamig dito, no? So, yung clock na yan, guys, tutunog yan every hour. So, hintayin lang natin na tumunog yan. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Ayan guys, sumunog na siya. Halos parehas lang din sila doon sa ano no, Hakodate. Mas malaki lang yung area dito guys, pero it's almost the same in Hakodate. Mas marami silang ano dito, display. Colorful. It's all crystals. It's all tax-free, guys. Gusto niyang bumili. Tax-free siya. Okay, guys. Mahilig kayo sa ganito. Mga cutie-cutie lang. Ang cute, puro mga abubot. Magnet. Ah, magnet siya. May third floor pa to guys. Akyat tayo sa third floor. Ito mga jewelry box. Is it? Cute guys. Now we're going to Otaro Cafe and Hello Kitty. Hello. I can smell the macarons natin. The popular Otaro Canal. We are here.
Iinom siya.